Hi and welcome to the last day of NEM Show 2016. We are here at the Schneider's Bureau booth on the Vermona section, and I would like to show you today the twin cushion module, which is our latest module. This is still a prototype, but it will go in production in the second quarter of this year. It's a dual percussion module. It has two oscillators. The first one has sine wave, triangle wave and square wave. The second one sine wave and triangle wave, and it has also a noise generator. Each of the parts has its own envelope generator and its own VCA. So it's currently been triggered by the formulator. You can set the waveform here, but we stay with a sine wave for now. You also can set the pitch to high or low, so it has a really huge range for making different percussion sounds. The envelope is super fast with just a few microseconds for the attack phase, so that you can get out some really punchy kick drum sounds or other percussive sounds. The second part is now set to noise. The specialty on the second envelope generator is that it's just a decay envelope, but the decay can be controlled by a control voltage, so you can do some open, closed hi-hat things and so on. Of course, it can also be set to a different waveform. The noise also has a high-pass filter, so you can change its color with a tune knob. So that's the percussion module, the twin cushion. As I mentioned before, we hope to release it in the second quarter of this year. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of the NEM Show. Bye bye, see you next year.